Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. So I think we kind of skipped one day, but I think we're back on track. I just didn't have enough time to upload the video because it just got too late. But anyways, tonight, this evening, we have a beautiful video for you. Me and the boys are going to be decorating and making gingerbread houses, and we have like a ginormous gingerbread dude that we need to decorate. So I figured it'll be perfect time to record another Vlogmas video and share it with you guys. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me show you what we're working with today. Alright, so this is what we're working with. We have a classic house, we have extra decorations, more decorations here, and then we have two Sour Patch Kids houses, and then we have this lovely ginormous gingerbread man. So we have a lot to do and it's gonna be so much fun, and I'm so excited. And you'll hear a lot of noise. That is from this beautiful carousel. And we have a new one over here. I don't know if you could see, but you could see it in the reflection. It has steam. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I have to do another video and show you guys everything. But without further ado, let's get into this, because I want to build and eat some gingerbread pieces that are probably going to break. Alright guys, this house was a complete disaster. Andrew started it and I tried to help him, but we must have put it together like 5 times and each time it fell apart. Aiden's house is the only one that stuck together, and he did such a great job. He said it was the takeover of the gingerbread man. There's some of them here. One fell down the roof, he said, and then some on top. And then Andrew really wanted to decorate a gingerbread man, so that's what he did. I got this guy from Costco. I think it says it comes in a pack of 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a hot mess express, but the boys had fun and they're off to bed, and Aiden's just doing a little bit more studying before school tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.